Good morning, student. As we know that our school started online classes for you. Myself, Divangsar, and I'm going to teach you chapter 1 for class 6 student. Who did Patrick's homework? This story is written by Carol Murray. Okay, the character of this story are Patrick, a cat, and a tinny man. Okay, the chapter starts as Patrick hated doing homework. He found it boring. He was interested in playing games. He played hockey, basketball, and Nintendo. His teachers warned him that he must do homework, otherwise, he would remain an ignorant person. Sometimes he really felt that he was so, but somehow Patrick could not help it. One day, Patrick found his cat playing with a little doll. He took the doll away. To his surprise, he found that the doll was, in fact, a little man. This man wore old fashioned clothes. His hat was tall. Little man cried, "Save me!" In return, he promised to grant Patrick a wish. Patrick saved the little man. He was much pleased. He asked the little man to do all his homeworks till the end of the semester. That way he could get A in the exams. Grade A. The little man didn't like it, yet he agreed to do so. He began his work in right earnest. However, there was one difficulty. Very often, he needed Patrick's help during homework, doing homework properly. Sometimes he would ask for a dictionary. He would request Patrick to look up a word and speak its spellings loudly. When it came to math, it was even worse. He did not know much of it, so Patrick had to sit beside him and guide him all the time. It was the same thing with history also. Patrick had to go to the library and get the books and read them out to the help him. He would write this point to his homework in answer books. Patrick had to do much homework. Finally, the last day of his school arrived, and that tiny man was free to go. The homework had, of course, been completed. Patrick got his A grade. His classmates and teachers smiled and were amazed also. His parents wondered how their son had become such a model kid. Patrick had indeed developed a whole attitude. Of course, Patrick thought that that tiny man, had done his homework, but the truth is that he was all along doing it himself. Students, the summary of the story, Who Did Patrick's Homework, I have told you. When instead पैट्रिक का होमवर्क कंप्लीट नहीं होने का कारण ये था कि पैट्रिक होमवर्क नहीं कर पाता था, वो करना नहीं चाहता था, उसको खेलों में ज़्यादा ध्यान था। जैसा कि आपने सुना कि एक बार उसकी बिल्ली ने एक छोटी सी गुड़िया को पकड़ा था, तो उसे लगा कि वो गुड़िया है, लेकिन बाद में पता चला कि वो एक टिनी इंसान है। फिर उस इंसान ने उसे विश कहा कि आप मुझे बचा दोगे तो मैं आपका एक विश पूरा करूँगा। तो पैट्रिक ने सोचा क्यों ना मैं इससे अपना होमवर्क ही करवा लूँ। अब उस टिनी इंसान ने इस बात पे अपनी स्वीकृति दे दी कि हाँ मैं आपका हेल्प कर दूँगा, और पैट्रिक के साथ उसका होमवर्क करने के लिए बैठ गया। फिर बाद में पैट्रिक से ही उसका होमवर्क करवाया, उसने डिक्शनरी मंगवाई, पैट्रिक बोलता गया और वो लिखता चला गया। अंत में होमवर्क कंप्लीट हो गया और पैट्रिक एक अच्छा स्टूडेंट हो गया। ठीक है, कम टू द क्वेश्चन आंसर। What did Patrick think his cat was playing with, and what was it really? पैट्रिक ने क्या सोचा कि उसकी बिल्ली किस चीज़ से खेल रही है और वो सही में क्या था? Why did the little man grant Patrick a wish? लिटिल मैन ने पैट्रिक की क्या विश पूरी की, क्यों विश पूरी की? What was Patrick's wish? पैट्रिक का विश क्या था? In what subjects did the little man need help to do Patrick's homework? किन विषयों में लिटिल मैन को हेल्प की ज़रूरत थी पैट्रिक के होमवर्क के लिए? हाउ डिड पैट्रिक हेल्प हिम? पैट्रिक ने उनकी मदद कैसे की? एंड हाउ डू यू थिंक डिड पैट्रिक्स होमवर्क, द लिटिल मैन और पैट्रिक हिमसेल्फ? हु डू यू थिंक, सॉरी, पैट्रिक का होमवर्क किसने किया, उस लिटिल मैन ने या पैट्रिक ने खुद ने? You have to do all the question answer in your notebook, and the hard words you have to choose yourself with dictionary and note it down on the notebooks. When the school will reopen, your copy will be checked. I hope you will do this chapter. Thank you very much.